Ahoy, pirates! Ye have amassed an enormous amount of treasure. Where shall ye bury such wealth and riches? On an island, of course. There it will be stowed safe away from thieving eyes and greedy hands. In order to remember where ye treasure is buried, ye need to make a treasure map of ye island. Ye map should show where X marks the spot. First, ye will need a title for ye treasure map. Captain Amy's treasure map? Canine Captain treasure map? Be creative with your name. Your name for the island must be written clearly. We'll look at that right now. Here is an example. The student did not cover their writing with permanent marker, so it makes it difficult to see, but we will. Here we can see the friend map is the title, nice and clear at the top there. And then Treasure Island right here, nice and clear. Next, you need a compass rose with cardinal and intermediate directions. You know what to do. Finally, label the ocean. You need your map key and at least 6 symbols. 6 physical features like forest, lake, river, mountain, volcano, desert, waterfall, valley, peninsula, bay, plain, cave, plateau, hill, river, or any of the above on your map. You can see this checklist that I've made for you right here. Think deeply about your theme because you may never be able to change your island theme again. Have fun, pirates.